Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of arguably the most famous of all Italian cheeses. Of course, this is Italian for Parmesan, and this is the full name of it. Of course, this is a grating cheese that is so delicious to grate on pastas and other Italian dishes. It is named after the provinces it is produced into, Parma and Reggio Emilia. This is near Bologna, Reno and Modena, those beautiful cities in the north of Italy. But how do you go about pronouncing the name, full name of this cheese? Parmigiano Reggiano would be the typical Italian pronunciation. Parmigiano. You do want to insist on the second A, the second to last syllable of Parmigiano, and then Reggiano. Same type of pronunciation, insisting on the A. Parmigiano Reggiano. Parmigiano Reggiano. But it'd be fine in English or American to say Parmigiano Reggiano. Parmigiano Reggiano, or in Italian, Parmigiano Reggiano. Here are many more produces from Italy that you may want to learn the correct pronunciation of. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.